done a 520D before?
Nope.
In today's video, we're gonna compare M5 versus 520D. No brainer, M5 is a beast. But what happens when you switch the drivers? Let's find out.
Honestly, it feels similar. Bro, I
Okay.
love the digital meters.
Bro, you can have them if you want. I like yours better.
But it's quiet.
It's quiet, it's really quiet.
I was hoping for something. Oh, wow.
Nice, right?
It's very nice. Unique. Very unique. It's very different actually.
Oh, you're crazy. Holy.
Daily driven, bro.
I should probably put on the seatbelt now.
Yeah, you should actually.
That was awesome.
That was the scariest moment of my life.
Third gear pull.
I've tried going as fast as I can with my car, and the fastest I've been able to go without like actually slipping the car
Yeah.
has been,
I see, yeah.
and you were
That's-
doing
that's
like,
a different.
that's just the chassis and the suspension and all of
the
that,
empty
right?
Chassis makes a lot of difference.
Makes
right?
a lot of difference.
For me, it's a good daily, but the power is a bit. I'm used to.
Yeah.
With this car, it feels like I'm not pressing the pedal.
Sat in a couple of fast cars so far in my life, and I tell you one thing, the car is fast and all, this car, but he's a damn good driver.
But overall, it's a good car. It's still a Beamer, bro.
Yeah.
It's still a good car.
Going as fast as I can. Look.
Wow, that's very fast.